Hi guys, Tech Geek for Life here, and today I've got a video of Evervolv Turba, which is a custom ROM for the HTC Desire, the G7 A8181 I think, yeah, and it's a custom ROM that's based on Android 4.3 and AOSP build, and today I'm going to be giving you a quick overview and what I think of the ROM. So yeah, let's get started. To install this ROM you will need to be rooted with SOF, and your HBoot will need to be based on the system one with the same system, based on the stock one with the same system partition size. And I'll leave a link to all of this information in the description where you can download it and the thread and whatever. So yeah, it's quite fluid compared to other ROMs out there, and as I said, it is based on a 4.3 AOSP build. Most things are working. There are minor bugs, as you can expect from a custom ROM. This ROM at the moment is still in its nightly stages, so there is no stable release out there yet. I say yet because the developer for this ROM has also previously done 4.2.2, 4.1 and Ice Cream Sandwich for the HTC Desire. And all of the previous Android versions are in their stable stages, so if you did want most things working, not everything because it's an old device so not everything's going to work on it, but if you did want most things working on the phone but with a newer version of Android, then I suggest you flash 4.2.2, which is Evervolv Turba 3.2.2, as opposed to this being Evervolv Turba 3.3. And of course Android 4.3. As I said, it's AOSP based. Most things do work. Google Now is working. Just wait for it. Yeah, Google Now is working. So yeah, the main thing that isn't working is the camera, which can be a deal breaker for some people. Although, if you don't use your camera much, then not having a camera isn't much of a deal breaker for having the latest Android on your phone. This is a 2-year-old device and it has only got a single core 1 GHz processor with 500 meg of RAM, so it's not exactly the most amazing specs, but it can still run the latest Android. And this is where my previous video comes in, and I'll leave an annotation like there or over there or somewhere, so you can go watch that about why you should root your phone and what an Android custom ROM is. Yeah, it's, as I said, fluidity, speed, it's all good, because HTC only really took this up to Android 2.3, although most people were stuck with 2.2 as they didn't know that HTC released 2.3. However, 2.3 was only available via an RUU, which is a ROM update utility. We'll quickly jump into settings. As you can expect, it's stock Android settings. However, you will notice this Evervolv tab here, which has various settings and customization things for the ROM. Overclocking with the current kernel, which is the one which comes automatically installed, is possible, however not by much. As you can see, you can only go up to 1.11 GHz, although that's slightly better from the 1 GHz stock. Sorry about the cracks though. Updates, as I said, I think I'm actually running quite an old nightly at this stage. There have been more out after I flash this. So yeah, as it's a nightly, there are builds for every single day there's been, and I'm running one from the 15th of this month, so I should probably update that. Theme wise, yeah, you can download more themes for it, so I think there might actually be a Sense one, but I'm not too sure. You'll have to double check that for me. And there we go, Android 4.3, and there's the Easter egg. This lags quite a bit because the hardware is quite old, and yeah. Kernel version, we are running a 2.6 kernel, 2.6 Linux kernel, and yeah, you keep tapping on build number to get developer options, but already got it. That's basically the quick overview, and so I would recommend that if you have the HTC Desire and you're tired of having the laggy sense on it, then I would recommend you flash this on it. But just remember, you need to be rooted with SOF, and you need to have a stock based HBoot which has the same system partition as the stock one. And as it's that's actually an app. That's an app called Dynamic Nav Bar, which is actually quite useful. If you break the buttons on any Android phone, you just have that come up whenever you like, and just use that instead. But also, Nikes, I think that's how you pronounce his name. He's the developer of this ROM. His XDA username is Laidback Nikes, and his friend actually has made a mod for all the Evervolv ROMs, which allows you to have soft keys on the bottom of the screen, so like everything is moved up and shrunk down, as opposed to this just coming up and covering up. So yeah, if you want that, then that's quite cool to have. Yeah, everything else the same, normal notification bar, then a two-fingered one. Dialer, it's all good. And if you want a full list of working and non-working, look in the description for the link for the thread, and then there's also going to be one for the forum on the developer's website, where you can have a look at the official list of working and non-working, so you have a rough idea of how well it's going to be for you personally. And as I said, 4.2.2, that's the best one to have right now. Not this one, because this one, there are quite a few bugs compared to 4.2.2. So do go check that out. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, favourite and subscribe if you like my videos. And be sure to stay tuned for more custom ROM videos and whatever in the future. And comment what you want to see in future videos. And follow me on Twitter, add me to your circles on Google Plus and whatnot. So yeah, thank you.